NCP's youth organization, Jatiyo Yuva Shakti, launched. The National Citizens Party (NCP) has started its youth group called Jatiyo Yuva Shakti. A new committee of 131 members has been formed, with Tariqul Islam as the leader and Jahedul Islam as the secretary. At the launch event, NCP's main coordinator, Nasiruddin Patwari, announced the new leaders. Other important members include Tuhin Mahmud as senior joint leader, Dyuti Arania as senior joint secretary, and Khaled Mahmoud Iqbal as chief youth development coordinator. The launch event showed support for the reasonable demands of Jagannath University students. Nasiruddin Patwari asked the government to listen to the students and solve their problems fairly and quickly. The program started late but included documentaries and songs about the July People's Uprising. The youth group promises to work hard for the country's future and help young people raise their voices.